second time out. This is it. Second time out today. So let's see how gallus they get. Some of them were up on the roof yesterday, down on the grass. Come on in. Come on. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on in. Dee 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 dee. Aye, look at that, eh? They're looking sharp. They're looking sharp. Aren't you? Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, come on. There you go, eh? Is that where you're going now, eh? Up to the roof. Like he's done yesterday, eh? There we go, there we go. There we go. Up to the roof. Come on. Come on. Come on in, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. See, they're at the stage where they do want to go, but there's only their second time out. Oh, there's a young in there. Come on in. Come on. Come on. I thought I seen a pigeon there. Maybe not. Come on, come on. Come on. Aye. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on. I see they're looking. Come on in. Come on. Come on in, come on, come on in. Come on in. See, they're doing here because I was doing this yesterday, throwing some seed on the grass. And that's what they're looking for. Yeah, that's what they're looking for. That wee blue coat there, he's a cracker, he's a wee powder blue, isn't he? He's a wee beauty, look at him. Hey, 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 come on in, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oof, you see that? I've got a wee fright here. See, that's what it takes. That's what it takes. Come on in, come on. That's what it takes. Come on, come on, come on. See, they want to go. Come on in, come on, come on. Come on. See, they're burling round and round and round. Come on, come on, come on, come on. See, it's their second day up, they're getting a bit more gallus. There you go, up the roof here. Come on in. Come on, come on. Now see, that's all you want them to do. That's all you want them to do. Just float about round the back of the loft, back into their gear down, onto the hut, up to the roof, back down again. As long as you do that 2 or 3 times, you get used to being outside. And they didn't hesitate landing on the landing board. Come on, come on. Come on in, 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 come on. Come on. This is all they need, you know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes every day until they really take off. Yeah. Yeah. That's what you want them to do. That's what you want them to do, see? You get a wee bit gallus. A wee bit gallus, now come back, there you go. See, that's what you want them to do. You need to do that 4 or 5, 6 times, you know, before they take off. They're just finding their bearings. It's always a nervous time for me when I let them out, honestly. Go on in. Come on in, come on. Here we go, here we go. Back down again. Come on, come on. Here they come, back down again. Come on. Oh, look at this, see what I mean? They want to go, they want to go. Watch this. Watch this. You just stand still and let them do their wee thing. That's it, that's all they need. That's all they need. Just playing about like that. Come on, come on. Come on now, come on. See, that's what you want them to do. Just keep doing that, up to the roof. You know, back down to the loft. Playing about round about the back of the loft, the back of the house, back up again. If you get them to do that 4 or 5, 6 times before they really take off. Because it's when they take off, it's when they get up, that's it. And once they find their wings, they'll just, you know, they'll keep going. Come on in, come on. Come on now, come on. This helps them to get their bearings, you know, see their way around. There we go, there's another one way up. Another one way up. So that's what you want. This is the problem though, come in. See when they get a fright and they're that high up, even though they're just on the house roof, they get a fright and that's it. See, this is what I want them to do, just up to the roof. There you go, see. Back down again. This is what I want, see, this is it, building confidence. See, building confidence, that's all this is doing. So I just didn't want them getting a fright. Plenty of time to go up the sky. It's nice and quiet here for me. There's a wee youngin just come out. Honestly, this is it. See, this is what they'll do. See, watch them up the roof. See, this is what I didn't want. This is that. I'm saying this is what I didn't want. I'm getting a fright. There you are. There you are. 3 babies on the hut there. See them there, look. In the corner. Come on in. I'll soon be changing the front of my loft, letting more air into it. I need to buy some perspex. I've just ordered some 8 lengths of 2x2s and 6 sheets of 8x4 plywood. I'm going to put the plywood down on the loft floor and darken my widowhood boxes with, or half my widowhood boxes off. Give the cooks privacy. There you go, they're still up there, so this is it. This is it. Come on in. Come on in. Hey, watch someone jumping about the roof. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. What's this? Now, I know. There you go. Where is he? He's not come round yet, so he's on the other side. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. And there's a wee pigeon on the other side of the house. I just seen him go round there now. This is the, see what I mean? This is what I'm saying. See, they want to go. They want to go, but I'm just trying to hold them here. Come on in. Come on. There's one round the other side. I know he is. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on in. There he is. There it's done now. There it's there. That wee blue. See it. There you are. The wee cracker, isn't he? Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Look at that wee blue, eh? He's not even molted yet. He's going to turn it. He's going to turn it into being a beautiful powder blue. That's what he'll be. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on then. There you go. There you go. Come on in. That's it again. See, when they stand like statues, that means there's something wrong. What, just see them all standing? I see. Yes, you can probably see something in the sky that I can't see. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on then, that's the game. Come on, come on, come on. That's the game. Come on. Come on in. Come on now, come on. That's the game. Come on now, come on. Some of them are just shying the hut around, that's all it is. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on then, come on. Come on in. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on. Come on, come on. There we go. Come on, come on. They're going on the wire. See, they're just getting a bit more. This is the second time out, so they're just getting a wee bit more brave. That's all. That's all. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Hey, come on in. Come on in, come on. Come on in, come on, come on in, come on. Come on in, 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 come on in. Come on in, come on, come on, come on now, come on. Come on now, come on, come on. Come on now, come on. Come on now, come on. Come on now. There you go. Come on in, come on. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. 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 Let's see how they do. Come on in. Come on. See how they do. Right, I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Cheery, cheery.